Hi everyone, this is Max from the Bureau Websites, and today I want to show you how you can get rid in this stuff in the URL. So location, market, call it whatever you want. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, click like, and if this video was helpful for you, I will be thankful for your donations with this link. Okay, so let's start. By the way, we can create a website for you. So you need to remove it. You can see I already got rid of it and it doesn't work for me. And I have right now just single collection URL, which is good for sale because 3 same pages sucks. So basically, where it comes from? It comes from the markets. So you should go into your Shopify panel, click settings, and after click markets. Okay, click markets and you can see all markets right here. Probably you configured some and clicked some at market, doesn't matter. So just open them all and let it load in. It's loading. Okay, and there is tab menu which says languages and domains. Click it. Right here, please delete all the below. If there can be some English Great Britain, English French, whatever you have. We had few here which we doesn't need. If you have different languages, of course, don't delete it. So now we should remove it. How we remove it? Let's check. This is my website. So here is Europe. Okay. So we click. I forgot. Okay, sorry. Okay, so we click on this manage domains. So we click manage domains, and there is use primary market configuration. By default, it's selected use subfolders. So basically, EN Great Britain, for example. So this URL. If we doesn't work this URL, please select, for example, separate domain, subdomain. If you don't want subdomain, just use primary market configuration. And do this for all. So click this, click this, click this, click save. That's all, and once you will do this for all your markets, your SEO URL should be just one collections and you will get rid of this prefix, suffix, whatever it is. So don't forget to subscribe, click like, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.